I wonder where that guy is headed. Do you think he might be going to some bike trails somewhere? I wonder.
Well, welcome everyone. Once again, I'm at Bertram Lake. I'm going to ride everything today. When I say ride everything, I'm going to ride everything that I hadn't ridden before, or that I had stumbled on before. And that includes the two big wooden features that are just ahead of me. It's going to be awesome. I think the first one is just right around the corner up here. Okay, where is ye Monty Python? Oh, there's poop in the trail. How delightful. Animal poop, not people poop, thankfully, because that would be just wrong. Well, fiddlesticks in November. Yes, it is November. Kyushu in November is what I used to say. Both would be fitting terms for where the heck is this wooden feature. I'm like anticipating it, getting my mind right for it. Yes, that's right, I'm getting my mind right. Do this feature. But I heard the highway, and I know it's right next to the highway. And it's like, what the biscuit weaver? There we go. You have to be super focused to do this. Like, whoa, ho, 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 ho. How come I did it last time? Oh my gosh. Okay, that was an epic fail. As long as I'm feeling it, I'm going to try it again. No. Come on. Stay focused. Stay focused. Oh, my water bottle. Oh, that's totally awesome, but I lost my water bottle when I crashed the first time. Stay focused, friends. Stay focused. You can see people have skidded out right here. Wow. Monty Python accomplished. I should have kept rolling. There's a whole family that came through and did the Monty Python. The next thing is the log ends, and this is the one thing I'm spooked about. I'm going to ride it halfway. Ride it. Oh boy. Oh, nah. So, here they come. A lot more intimidating than I was expecting it to be. Alright, now I know I can do the log end thing, but it's going to take some time. I'm doing this thing now. Oh! That's a heck of a drop! I want to do that again. Let's see if these other guys do it. Hey. You rolled it, nice. I jumped off of it. I'm going to do it again. Alright, so as you saw, the family came through, and the one that did it was the dad. This is a rockin' awesome feature. There, that was a perfect lock off the end. Sweetness. Alright, so our next stop is the shark fin drop. Mwah, I'm totally ready for it. I am totally ready. Oh yeah. Get myself psyched up. Alright, we are continuing with the ride everything, and this feature is super spooky. Ow! I've only been able to do that once. Alright, We're getting ready to do the jumps. You start cranking up this tree. Oh yeah. Problem with these jumps, there's nothing. Absolutely nothing. Oh yeah! Oh! Totally cleared it. That was awesome. I was a little bit skeptical, but I cleared them. All right. Oh my gosh, that's a drop. Woo! Oh.
Did you do that?
Oh yeah. That's a heck of a drop. I saw somebody else do it last time, so I wanted to get it on my action cam. I'll do it again. It'll scare you. You gotta commit to it. Ooh. Yeah! So nobody did that drop. Oh my gosh. That drop is breathtaking. That pushed my abilities to the next level. I want to go up to Crosby now and do that big drop. There's two of the big drops. Oh, drops always scare me. When I got an audience though, I know if I screw up, I'll be okay. Oh my gosh. Pretty awesome. Well, that was Ride Everything at Bertram. And the only things I haven't ridden is stuff on the far side, and I kind of want to go to Hillside next. I'm not action cam there, so we'll see you at Hillside, hopefully.